Tired of the same old ice cubes? We're going to show you how to make custom ones using the food-safe silicone mold Star 40T. We kicked things off by crafting our ice cube models using Task 11 urethane resin. We chose to use our logo, but you can make just about anything you can imagine. We arranged them in a simple foam core mold box and made one plexiglass wall just for video purposes. For the mold, we're using Mold Star 40T, a food-safe platinum silicone with 40A shore hardness, firm enough to hold shape without needing support. The mix ratio is 1A to 1B by volume, so measuring equal parts is quick and easy. Both parts are translucent, so no color change to guide you, just mix thoroughly, scraping the sides and bottom of the container. Work with purpose though, it has a 20-minute pot life and we need time to degas. Here's a pro tip, after your first mix, pour into a clean container and mix again. That's your insurance for a good mix. Next up, vacuum degassing. This step is optional, but it helps prevent bubbles and achieve the best possible results. We put the material into the vacuum chamber and turn the pump on. Watch the bubbles rise and wait for the silicone to fall. After 90 more seconds, we're ready to pour. The mold's on a leveled surface, and we pour in a thin, steady stream, aiming for the lowest point into the mold box. Let the silicone flow and find its level. Smooth pour equals fewer air bubbles. Once it's about ½ an inch above the tallest point of the model, we're done. Let it cure for 3 hours at room temperature, and we can start demolding. We take the walls off the mold box, and with a little help from a scraper and some compressed air, we remove the rubber mold without too much trouble. It's hard to see on camera, but the mold picked up all the fine detail from the models. We'll see that better once the ice cubes are done. Before we can use the mold, we need to wash it thoroughly with dish soap and water. We rinse it well, and then we can pour water in it, pop it in the freezer, and wait. Once it's frozen, we demold. And there they are, ice cubes ready to go with our logo on them. Now it's time to drop in that cube, pour your favorite drink, and enjoy in style. Want to make your own custom ice cubes? Check out the description for the materials and where to get them. And remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.